Hi students, this is Viswanath, chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. In previous class, we have completed reduction of some functional groups with LiAlH4. Now see the next one, reduction of epoxides or oxiranes. Epoxide is nothing but cyclic ethers. Cyclic ethers can undergo reduction with LiAlH4 and forms alcohols. See this example, CH3, CH, CH2, oxygen. This is 2-methyl epoxide. First, second position. So, second carbon having methyl group, its name is 2-methyl epoxide. This compound undergo reduction with one equivalent of LiAlH4, followed by hydrolysis in dilute acids, then we can get alcohol. Product is CH3, CHOH, CH2. Its name is 2-propanol. So in this way, cyclic ethers undergo reduction with LiAlH4 to form alcohols. Next one is reduction of lactones. Reduction of lactones. See this example. This is lactone. This lactone treated with two equivalents of LiAlH4 followed by hydrolysis with dilute acids, then we can get alcohols. This one. So this is butane 1,4 diol. Butane 1,4 diol. In this way, lactones are reduced to diols. Lactones are reduced to diols with LiAlH4. Next, reduction of azides. Next type of compounds, azides. Reduction of azides. See this, azides general formula RN3. Alkyl group attached to N3, those are called azides. These azides undergo reduction with LiAlH4 followed by ether. Then we can get primary amines or NH2. So take the example, CH3, N3. This is methyl azide undergo reduction with LiAlH4. Then we can get primary amines, CH3, NH2. This is methanamine. And next example for the same azides, CH2 double bond CH, CH2, CH2, N3. CH2 double bond CH, CH2 means allyl. So allyl, CH2 means carbonyl. Allyl carbonyl azide undergo reduction with LiAlH4. Then we can get primary amines, CH2 double bond CH, CH2, CH2, NH2. See this, its name is allyl carbonyl amine. Allyl carbonyl amine. We have to observe one thing, double bond is not changed. In reactants, double bond is there. Here also double bond is there. So only N3 group is converted to NH2. So in this way, azides converted to primary amines. If in the given azides double bond is there, that is not affected by LiAlH4. Next, reduction of oximes. Reduction of oximes. Already we know that. How can we get oximes? When aldehydes or ketones reacts with hydroxyl amine NH2OH, then we can get oximes. See the general equation, RC double bond OH plus H2 NH2OH. This is hydroxyl amine. Already we learnt this in aldehydes properties. Gives rise to, from this water molecule is removed, then bond formation takes place between carbon and nitrogen. This is oxime, aldehyde oxime. In the same way, ketones can also react with NH2OH and form corresponding ketone oxime. See this oxime general formula. That means oxime obtained by ketone. Two alkyl groups attached to this one. When this oxime is treated with LiAlH4, oximes are treated with LiAlH4, then we can get ether or CR NH2, primary amines. We can get primary amines. For example, take a compound C6H5 C6H5 double bond NOH. This is benzophenone oxime. Benzophenone is treated with NH2OH, then we can get this one, benzophenone oxime. Benzophenone oxime. It is treated with lithium aluminum hydride, then we can get primary amines. Product is C6H5 C6H5 CH2 NH2. So what is the product name? Diphenyl methylamine. Diphenyl methylamine. Two phenyl groups attached to this one. This is single carbon atom. So product name is diphenyl methylamine. In this way, oximes are reduced to primary amines. Next, reduction of nitriles. Reduction of nitriles. Nitriles means CN group attached to the carbon chain. Those are called nitriles. Say this one, RC triple bond N. Alkyl cyanides or IUPAC name alkyl nitriles reduced with LiAlH4. LiAlH4, then we can get imine salt. Imine means this one, RCH double bond N Li, imine salt. Gives rise to LiAlH4 followed by hydrolysis with dilute acids, then we can get primary amines or CH2 NH2. This is primary amine. Now take an example, CH3CN, methyl cyanide treated with LiAlH4, then we can get CH3, CH double bond N, lithium. This is imine salt. This salt is further treatment with LiAlH4, LiAlH4 followed by hydrolysis with water, we can get CH3, CH2, NH2, ethylamine. So methyl cyanide treated with LiAlH4, we can get imine followed by further reduction with LiAlH4. Finally, we can get ethylamine. That is this one, ethylamine. Here we have to remember one important point. Same alkyl cyanides at low temperature gives aldehyde. See here, alkyl cyanide treated with LiAlH4. LiAlH4 at low temperature 50 degrees Celsius, minus 50 degrees Celsius, then we can get imine salt. This is imine salt. Now it is further treated with hydrolysis. Then we can get aldehydes or CHO. Example for this, CH3, CH2, C triple bond N. This is propane nitrile. Propane nitrile is treated with LiAlH4 at minus 50 degrees Celsius. At very low temperature, when propane nitrile is treated with LiAlH4, then we can get CH3, CH2, CH double bond N Li followed by hydrolysis H3O plus, then we can get CH3, CH2, CHO, propionaldehyde. Okay students, in this way alkyl nitriles undergo reduction with LiAlH4. At a normal temperature we can get primary amines. At very low temperature we can get aldehydes. Thank you.